Okay, so this is our Hayward light that we're going to reassemble and put back together. We're here. It's about... Hey, how you doing? A light? No, I'm just putting together this light. This will just take me 5 or 10 minutes tops, and I'll be out of here. Yeah. He's just not familiar with them, that's all. Yep. Yeah, you absolutely can turn the water on. Correct. Correct. No, no, sir. I don't need anything. I just, I'm just happy to get it taken care of and get you filling. And I appreciate it. You know, I'm a pool guy, so that's what we do. You know. You work for Lowe's? What do you do there? Yeah. Oh no, huh? So you prefer Lowe's over Home Depot any day then? Yeah. Large companies are heading in the wrong direction, huh? Yep. I appreciate it. I'm just doing what I do. I'm a pool person, you know. Yeah. I appreciate your compliments greatly though. Thank you very much. So basically I just get everything close and now I can go and I can tighten this with my tools. Homeowner was just coming out to say thank you for taking care of the light so late at night. The bugs are something else right now, I'm not gonna lie. I really should just get the right size little wrench, I'm sure, that goes on this, but it's just been such a habit for me over the years to use my little blues when I'm doing this. But it's a 5/16 nut driver or a flathead screwdriver, and then it's like a little, I don't know, 1/4 inch or 3/8 inch nut on the back. So just give it a few turns. And basically I'm just trying to keep going until it tightens up to a certain point. And then before I go and hammer it down all the way, I just want to make sure that it's seated properly. I look inside here. I make sure that this tab is where it should be. They give you 2 little slots that tab could be. The nut and bolt I put on the side at, you know, like 12 or 3 o'clock. And then this is the little mounting clips on the bottom of the faceplate. So everything looks good. So I'm gonna give it one more little tighten. Before I do, I'll just kind of tap the belt clamp just gently. Get any little tension that might be in it headed towards the nut and bolt. I don't want to smack it too hard, but it's okay to tap it a little bit. Yeah, I really think I should get a wrench, the little wrench for the size of this. Sometimes the bolt gets corroded. Alright, I'm just trying to get it in a position that I can really get some good torque on it. You know, and while I'm doing it, I can feel what's going on. I can see what's going on. I can see everything's compressing the way it should. It's hard to break these bolts, but it can happen. You just kind of keep going till you're like, alright, I can't go anymore. And then you take the little screw and stick it through the hole. And then I'll move the camera so you can see what I'm doing a little better. I know it's not the best angle in the world. A little shadow under the light. Alright. Keep that rolling. So now anytime I'm putting a light back into the niche, I always give the light niche a good visual. Make sure that there's nothing funky going on, like things are cracking or anything like that. There's a tab inside the niche here that this screws into, and then on the bottom is a little tab clip. Goes here on the faceplate, so you just kind of clip it in. Now sometimes this receiver here can be broken. Sometimes this tab on the bottom can be broken. There is a little spot to put a screw, so it's like a secondary spot to clip it on the bottom if it breaks. Another option, if they all break, is a light wedge. And I can do a light wedge video someday when that happens, but I did one. I can totally feel the ants like literally crawling up my legs. So enough, I gotta get this done because I can't take the ants anymore. So that's it. Just tighten it down. This is the end of Saturday. It's like almost June now, or maybe it's June. I don't even know what the date is. I think it's June 1st. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to do some videos on vermiculite. My trowels, I'm going to show my trowels off. I'm going to show some vermiculite and different ways you can use it. But that's it. That's how you do it. Steve got a pool. Have a good night.